Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to lay this wig so effortlessly. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, today's video I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I was able to lay this wig so effortlessly. Like, it didn't take me much time, much stress, or much wahala. You know, so for this wig I decided not to wear the colored wig cap, because let's face reality, if I have somewhere to go and I'm in a hurry, I won't have time to start doing the bald method or to start laying that wig cap, the colored wig cap, and you know, it's just so much work, and I think it's so much stress as well. This particular method I'm going to show to you guys is just an easy, effortless way to just put it on and off you go, you know. So before I get into that, let me tell you about the wig. The wig I used for this tutorial is from Wigsgal. That's the name of the company. And let me tell you something, like, I have seen so many wigs, I've worked with so many hair bundles and all that, but Lord, this wig is soft. That is one thing I noticed about this wig. It's very, very soft. And the second thing I love about this wig is the curl pattern. I'm not going to change this curl pattern. I'm going to maintain this curl pattern. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to moisturize the wig, because when you have a wig like this, you need to make sure you always moisturize it whenever you want to wear it. You know, I use my leave-in conditioner and my oil, and also my water. That is just simple 3 products. That's what you need to moisturize your wig, and that's what I used to moisturize this wig. You're gonna see I was able to lay the top very flat. Like, this wig is a very beautiful wig, and it's really affordable. So I'm gonna put all the length spec, so I'm gonna put all the wig spec, the length, everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. I'm also going to link it, so if you're interested in, you know, getting something like this, then you should just go ahead and check out the link in the description box. So guys, also I know there are so many ways to style it. Like, if I want to wear this, it depends on the day. Sometimes I might feel like leaving it like this because it's a coily wig, so I can just leave it like this, or I can pack it like completely, which I'm gonna do very soon. I can pack it, and it's just a very beautiful hair. I'm gonna stop rambling at this point, and that's what's gonna be now, guys. Let's just get into this tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, the hair came in this pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the hair looks like straight out from the package. You guys can see that the coils are very beautiful. So this is how the wig looks inside. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and create my part. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer to give it a more natural pattern look. So after that, I decided to apply a little bit of a conditioner. And my hair oil as well. You guys can see how defined the coils look. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze out the front part just a little bit. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray water on all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair oil as well to make sure that the hair is very well moisturized. So right here, I'm going to use my hot comb to lay down the front part very well. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water on my edges. And then I'm going to apply my gel. After that, I'm going to go ahead and tie my scarf and just leave it to dry a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf and I'm going to put on the wig. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my got to be glued gel. While I wait for the gel to dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation on the lace part of the hair. So now I'm done with applying it. I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it and allow it to dry for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll take the scarf off and just style the wig. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it for you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you've not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.